say you're going to a restaurant where you have never been before. You have just heard good things about it. And now you plan to go to that restaurant. So you have two options. First, you can start Google Maps, follow the directions and reach your destination. Second, you can just walk around without any directions, without knowing where exactly is the restaurant and ask other people to go left or to right. The second option sounds kind of foolish, right? But that's what most of the people do in their businesses. They don't have a map, they just start and then they keep asking for help again and again when they are stuck in their businesses. They stop at every single failure and ask, now what? So before Google Maps, we used to ask autos, shopkeepers or any stranger passing by for the directions. But today we have learned how to manage with tools. But then why are we still stuck in the era of 90s when we are talking about businesses? Hello and welcome to Boss Wallah English. I am Tanisha Sharma and today let me help you understand what is going to happen if you don't have a roadmap for your business. Excited because you have found a place to start your cafe business. Then you sign an 11-month rental agreement with your landlord. And then you are told that there's a 5% increase in the rent amount every year. Then you invest 15 to 20 lakh rupees in the interiors to make the cafe look beautiful. And your business starts to boom. But then the 11-month lease ends. Now the landlord's son, who's been jobless the entire year, wants to start a cafe too. So he comes to you and tells you, sorry, we are not able to renew the agreement with you. You're out. Your dream cafe is now his dream cafe. But why did all of this happen? Because you did not know how to draft a small rental agreement. No renewal clauses, no lock-in, no protection. You know what? You cannot do everything alone. So you bring in a new partner and do a 50-50 share. Your friend is from a multinational company. You are running a cafe, making teas, cleaning cups and handling bills. He comes every week to the cafe and asks you how much is the profit this week. But you have not yet signed the partnership agreement. No clauses for active partner salary and no terms on decision making. So one day your friend comes to you and asks for his share and also the investment he has put back. You scramble, you take loans, you borrow from friends and the business, it's all gone. Now here let's take one more scenario and think that your cafe is full of customers. Every single table is booked. You feel rich. But after 6 months, you realize that you are putting money to your business every month. You don't even know what is your food costing. You don't calculate margins. No budgeting, no financial tracking. You think that you're earning, but you're just bleeding. No accounting software, no understanding of software capital. Just assumptions. So in that situation, your business didn't fail. You failed your business. Understand this in a better way. You have set up a cafe beautifully, but you don't even have a single customer. Why is that? Because you don't think about marketing. You just thought that a good location and good food would be enough. But how will people know that your cafe even exists? No Instagram page, no Google listing, no discounts, no referral programs, and no launch offers. You were ready with your cafe, but your customers didn't even know that your cafe existed. So here again, your business didn't fail. You failed your business. Now you hired a great chef for your cafe. He was your superstar. He used to cook delicious meals. But one day he suddenly disappears. You can't reach him. No notice and no replacement. But why? Because you didn't sign up an employment agreement. No exit clause, no notice period, no backup plan. You were running your cafe on trust. Tell me one thing, would you run a car without brakes? No, right? Okay, your daily sales is 30,000 rupees. Your profits? Unclear because you didn't use billing softwares. Everything was cash, no record, no reconciliation. You were afraid of GST, So you avoided systems. Now your accountant doesn't even know your margins and you don't know what your real earning is. If you are in a storm, you cannot just say that you don't like life jackets. Okay, so you are in your cafe and suddenly a fight breaks up. Two people start fighting badly and one person out of them gets injured seriously. There's no CCTV, no footage, no proof. Now the police comes and locks your place and the investigation begins and your business stays shut for next 6 months straight. So just one CCTV camera would have saved your business. But you didn't know. You thought it's not necessary. Your business did not fail you. It was you who failed the business. Every failure leaves a scar, but every scar teaches a lesson. But do you want to learn every lesson the hard way? If not, then you need a map to guide you to your destination properly, and you need to prepare before you start. At Boss Wallah, we created the Business Launchpad program, so you don't make the same mistakes. But what do we teach? How to choose the right business idea, legal setup, company registration, rental agreements, licenses, finance setup, budgeting, billing, accounting, banking, marketing strategy, online, offline, referral, social media, operations, team hiring, training, agreements, inventory, SOPs, customer acquisition, who, where, how to retain them, business systems, software, checklists, compliance, risk management, insurance, safety, backup plans, and finally, how to not fail your business. Google Maps made traveling easier, but Boss Wallah makes your business journey easier. If you are thinking of starting your own business, or if you have already failed and want to do it again but the right way, or if you are still running a business but you are afraid that it might collapse one day, then do not wait. Join the Boss Wallah Business Launchpad program, because your business will never fail you until you fail to prepare for it. Boss Wallah Business Launchpad. Be the boss, not the blame. Join us at Boss Wallah Business Launchpad program, 14th June 2025 in Bangalore, 21st June 2025 in Chennai, and 28th June 2025 in Vijayawada.
Boss Wallah. Be the boss.